Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I am Amalgamash, and this is Maker3D. Create your own RPG. I mean, it's somewhere on the screen, I promise. A long time ago, it feels like now, in the Smile Game Builder Discord, some folks were talking about Smile Game Builder limitations, to which I offered a usual challenge, which was, well, given tools that may be older or around the same age, what has been done better? And I know that this question's not rhetorical. It has answers. They are contextual. I don't think that any one engine could have replaced or had been better in every way, but I'm sure that there are perceptions of other engines doing select things better than other engines, and that's perfectly fine. They all exist for a reason, right? Maker3D was offered as an answer to my challenge, and so I set about the almost impossible task of hunting this engine down. Don't ask me where I found it. I don't know where I found it. It's been sitting in my downloads folder waiting for me to make this video so that I can delete it. And I'm about to show you why. So it looks like upon opening, we get access to this edgy anime girl silhouette against a flaming background with the Maker3D logo / watermark in the corner, and 5 presumable demo projects. So let's try Start Cave. Let's try anything at all. Not even the cancel button works. The scroll bar works. Nothing else works. This may not run on a 64-bit system. And when you close the engine, your web browser immediately opens up a .hu website. Okay, cool. I maximized the window, and that's why I can't select the selections. If I resume it, let's put it right here. Now I can select things. All right. Battle test. What's the battle? That was our loading screen. If I maximize the window now, oh, same thing. Okay, we cannot maximize the window. So I'm just going to have to go back down to a lower resolution if I want to play this correctly, I suppose. All right, well, we can do that another time. For now, I'll just edit the video so that this appears to be full screen. So, arrow keys, arrow keys. Move the camera. Clicking and dragging operates a selection box. So we can select events, copy, move with terrain, move the terrain, delete models, delete scripts, and also cancel. That's fair. We immediately have access to an object list. Different objects all spinning in 360 degrees to show us all sides. That is the brick tab. Looks like we have a chair tab for furniture. Whoa. Is that a top down? Click on map with left mouse button to inert the model. Click with right button or press delete to erase. Okay. Scroll wheel allows us to look in. Clicking with the middle mouse sets down those collision blocks. We don't want those. And moving with the right click doesn't seem to do anything except delete things, and also does not move the camera. So I'll use the arrow keys to move the camera. I'm not sure what that ended up being, so I'll just delete it. No problem. We'll zoom out and place some other stuff down. What the heck is that? Are you supposed to be a table? Very strange picnic table. We have other things like desks. Okay, that's a cool IKEA desk. The front of it is facing away from me. It's a bit inconvenient, don't you think? We have the tree tab. Looks like we have a bunch of trees. That's cool. Is that what the? It's like a clay or bronze statue, but then we have a lot of trees. Zoom way out. The tree is huge. That's cool. Okay, I kind of like that. I kind of respect that. Looks like we have a lot of collision blocks set down so that the player isn't able to just go wherever they want in this example project. I see an event block laid down. Not sure it's necessary to have that flashing fancy bit of texture over it, but that's, that's totally just me. We have big walls set up. Okay, big walls. Collision. This was an intelligently designed map. The engine's a little funky, but we'll get used to that. Let's look at the house tab. Yeah, now we have entire buildings that we can set down onto the map. I do not see a reason to do that at this time. I'd rather test this map. What's under the crab tab? These are animals. We can set down animals like Woofy, a good boy, a dragon, cool. Looks like a clay golem, a spider with a very bulbous butt, a killer carrot, a snake, and a slime. Hey, it's the entire gamut of RPG monsters. All right. Upper left corner, we have a color wheel. This engine is driving me to drinking, so this channel is not sponsored by Diet Frost Top. Nothing like it, nothing tops it but the foam. You know, that's actually clever. I can't be mad at that. I don't make a habit to drink diet sodas or sodas in general, but this was $1 and I hadn't had it before. Caffeine free, sugar free. The video is now about the soda and not the game engine. Back to the game engine. You can color the terrain by clicking colors, then clicking the map. Oh, it's a paintbrush. Okay, so we're literally changing the color of the terrain. Now you're getting me. Now you're hooking me with your coolness. That's nice. That's cool. I think that's awesome. You can make water. All right. Then there are textures. You can texture the terrain by selecting a texture. So like we have a stamper, and the stamper, it is very preset. Like it'll just stamp down the corner of the texture, and then it's up to you to link that. Like you can't just say, hey, I only want to use this part of the texture. It's going to use either the upper left, right, bottom left, or bottom right, depending on where you are in the map. Okay, so that's still cool. And then that deletes them. Okay, I like that. I appreciate that. Okay, so far, it's not unintuitive. It's fine. What is this? Terrain depth can be modified with mouse button. I am a huge fan of terraforming. It breaks away from RPG tile. Oh, that went down. Left button decrease. Left mouse button decrease. Left increase the height. You mean right? There we go. We can pull up the terrain with the right mouse button. Huge fan of being able to terraform. What is that? Is this like that makes it back to normal. That's the terrain flattener. All right. And this is the terrain depth on a bigger scale, and this is the terrain depth on an even bigger scale. So you can raise and lower larger grids worth of terrain with your button presses. I'm kind of interested in testing this out now. We have 4 buttons up top: game, help, insert, and run, as well as click here to enter the script inserting mode, and click here to exit insertion mode. We can insert a script. So if we click, we have, we actually have a scripting system. This thing's not joking around. This was actually a serious thing at some point. Load model, delete model, model color, alpha. I love that. Position to key animation, speed animation, walk to model, walk stop, look. Okay. Hero control, enable, disable. Those are the 3D commands. Model visible, change hero. Sky texture, nice. Texture, set tile color. Particle, delete particle, particle wind. Then there are some logical commands, which are your if, end if, set, for, next, while. Awesome. That's actually impressive logic. Sound commands for sound, stop sound. Light commands for ambient light, delete light, shadow direction, and color. Thank you for that. That's awesome. Sprite handling. Sprite parameters, delete sprite, text, delete text. You can teleport. There are battle system commands. There is reading data commands. So you can get location, X, Y, and height. Get the animation key, distance, tan, power, sign, cause, enter string. Check whether a key is pressed. And miscellaneous. Message, question, fade in, sync. I always love the miscellaneous commands. Let's not do anything at all with that. And go ahead and exit that mode. It's good enough for me to know that it exists. We're going to delete that. Delete the selected script? Yes. You just right click on it, deletes. And let's run. I want to run this game. All right, here we are. I'm not going to try to full screen it. That's just going to make it harder to edit. It's tank controls. Whoa. I don't have any control over the camera presumably without adjusting an event. The left and right keys turn me, and up walks me forward. Down doesn't do anything. Space doesn't do anything. That's fine. Testing the other keys on the keyboard. I would presume there would be some default commands for opening a menu. There is nothing of the sort. That's fine, though, because I can see that can be set up using the command system. This house is ridiculously small. We've got 2 characters in our party. The collision works great. It works as intended. The camera angle is really wonky for me. I would like to change the camera angle, but all of my terraforming changes took, and that was like just seconds to learn. Just seconds. If you're ever overly... Hello, dragon, wolf. You guys automatically have collision. That's nice. If you're ever overly cautious about... Whoa! And now we are battling. Okay. I have Nicolette and Zoltan. Let's attack. It's enter. And now I can attack the snake or the witch. The witch has had a bad enough day. Let's just kill the snakes. Oh, cool. Attack animation. No, the snake's biting me. Oh god, no. The horror. I have 120 out of 104 hit points on Nicolette. Oh, the max HP is on the left. I see this now. She has magic, and she can sweet kiss. Can enchant or damn a selected hero or enemy with magic. You know, I love that. Love that. I guess we'll do a sweet kiss to Zoltan. I'm not mad at this. Oh. Great Fire, Vampire, Target Eggy, Target Tub. What does that mean? Is this localization stuff? Does that mean like all single versus multi? Let's do Great Fire. Oh. Can't really be bothered. Well, let's see what happens when we use our Great Fire spell. The snakes did not die. We are getting destroyed by snakes next to our tree and statue that we put down. Okay, I don't actually want her to do that. Can we escape? Okay. And we're gonna attack the top snake. Kill it. One of the snakes is down. One snake down. It is just toast on the ground. Vampire does what I thought it did. It takes HP away from the enemy and gives it to the caster. And Nicolette needs it because he is dying. This battle brought to you by Trio Vision. That I realize it's completely my fault. I just used that on Zoltan instead of Nicolette. I am an idiot. She's only got 6 hit points left, so she is going to die in this next turn. Bar none. Yeah, she's done for. Now the she just goes up and slaps his belly. What is wrong with my hand? Is that like a gauntlet? Not much else we could do except just run in and attack and get killed. So that's what we're going to try to do now. My computer desk is in the background. I'm not mad at this. This is fine. This was a valid answer to my challenge. After all, it's not ready to be used today, in my opinion, for whatever project. You'd have to be pretty ambitious to make something in this. Just based on what I'm seeing so far, there are other solutions right now. So I died. No, I won. Somehow I win. That's my success music. We're locked up until it plays, I guess. Does it ever stop? I quit from the game? Yes. I'm good there. Let's start something else. Team management. We'll take a quick look around this map. Looks like, ooh, there's definitely a number of events inside the facility. I'm wondering what kind of game this will be if we test play this. Okay, I'll let you out. Please don't kill me. We have our debug mode stats here. Can't do anything. Oh, there it is. Okay. Whoa. That camera angle, it's killing me. It's rough. Ugh. Okay. Walk out that way. What's going on? Hi. What the heck is that? Select to save your game. What's the save crystal? All right. We have saved. Oh no, we're trapped. Why? What good does that do? Are there enemies for me to fight? Yes. I think you're an enemy. Aren't you? If I could just walk around you. There we go. Hi, beautiful. Hey, pink hair. You okay, never mind. She's as cold as ice. Next up, we have... Thank you for trying the team management demo. That was it. I think that there was supposed to be more to it, but click on the map with the left mouse button to insert a script. She's got a script attached to her. What is your script? No, don't delete it. I want to know what your script is. Can I do that? Object laney1.glm. Chipset. Don't delete it. I want to do something with that. I want to inspect it. That's what I want to do. Can I get rid of this debug menu? I don't need it anymore. Start lock. This looks dark and lonely. I think it's literally just the start location event. Looks like you can create an executable. That's a thing. We ought to try to do that. Start cave. The anime chicks in the loading screens is a definite win for me. The bottom right corner I'm seeing for this is a camera angle that is circling around the area that I currently have my mouse over, which is actually kind of a cool touch. It's kind of like, it's not practical, I don't think, in any way, shape, or form, but it's a cool touch. It kind of allows me to see the 360 view that the player could see if they were really ambitious about moving the camera around. Let's run this one. We'll run this game and not in debug mode. Hey kids, walk to me and press enter to talk. I'd love to. Where the hell are you? I can't believe I was like, is there another engine that you can think of that did it better? And somebody literally said Maker3D. I'm not knocking it. There's just, why did this one come to mind? I'm going to name my next brow wrinkle after Maker3D. I think that's what I'm going to do because it's given me an extra line. Where's the door? Oh, there it is. This map contains a test battle. It's easy to manage. Good luck. I will now remove some hero and add some items. Cool, I am awesome. Yay! Snakes. I'm not fighting the snakes again. Nope. It's not happening. It's not happening. It's cool that you can do that. This had potential, I can see. Depending on what you're able to import and how you can import it. Absolutely. It'd be really cool to know where the developer went. I think that the same developers went to go on to make Maker3D, which is the next engine that I will be looking at. So, thank you very much for watching. I think this is all the time I'm going to devote to this for now and forever. But we will check out Maker3D, the successor to this engine, very, very soon. So, comment down below anything you like. I will try to respond to those. What did you think about this? Could you see yourself making some kind of a project using an engine like this? Something with terraforming. Personally, I think all of the features this has are pretty well encapsulated by RPG World. That does kind of go against my every engine is unique stance. This engine is definitely unique. I'm not gonna take that away from it at all. But I think what it can do better is that at least it can create executables. RPG World, I think the games are locked to Steam server RPG World platform play. So this has that going for it. But anyways, out of time. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye for now.